Welcome back to Tech Dream Gear, the channel where we explore the cutting-edge technology shaping the future. Today, we're diving into a question that sounds like pure science fiction. Can lasers replace farmers? For centuries, agriculture has relied on human labor, mechanical tools, and modern robotics. But what if we told you that the next farming revolution won't involve hands, blades, or even physical contact? Instead, imagine powerful AI-driven laser beams harvesting crops with precision, speed, and zero waste. Laser harvesting is one of the most radical ideas in modern agriculture. And some experts believe it could eliminate the need for traditional farming techniques entirely. But is this technology a real solution? Or is it just another futuristic dream? How does laser harvesting actually work? Can lasers replace farmers and mechanical harvesters? Is this the beginning of fully automated farming, or will human expertise still be needed? In today's episode, we'll break down the science behind laser harvesting, its potential benefits, and the challenges standing in the way of a laser-powered agricultural revolution. If you love exploring the future of technology, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Tech Dream Gear. Now, let's get started. The evolution of harvesting, from human hands to high-tech lasers. Before we get into laser-powered farming, let's take a step back and explore how harvesting technology has evolved over time. The era of manual harvesting. For thousands of years, farmers harvested crops using simple tools such as, quote, sickles and scythes for cutting grain, hand-picking for fruits and vegetables. This method was slow, labor-intensive, and inefficient, making it difficult for farmers to scale up food production. 2. The rise of mechanized harvesting. The invention of machines like the mechanical reaper 1831 dramatically increased harvesting speed. The combine harvester early 1900s allowed large-scale harvesting with minimal human effort. Even today, most farms rely on these machines, which use spinning blades or mechanical arms to cut and collect crops efficiently. 3. The arrival of AI and robotics. The 21st century introduced AI-driven precision agriculture, featuring self-driving tractors that plow and plant automatically, robotic fruit pickers that select only the ripest produce, AI-powered drones that monitor crop health from the sky. Now, farming is about to take its biggest leap yet, with laser harvesting potentially replacing all traditional harvesting tools. How laser harvesting works, the science behind the technology. Laser technology has been used in medicine, manufacturing, and military applications. But scientists are now applying it to farming with promising results. 1. High-energy precision cutting. Unlike traditional mechanical harvesters that use sharp blades or rotating cutters, laser harvesters rely on focused beams of light to slice through crops. Infrared or ultraviolet lasers generate high-energy pulses. These beams target specific parts of the plant, making a clean cut without damaging surrounding areas. Unlike metal blades, lasers don't dull, break, or require maintenance. 2. AI-powered crop selection. A key challenge in farming is knowing exactly when to harvest. Laser harvesters use computer vision and machine learning to analyze ripeness, real-time data from sensors to adjust cutting intensity, automated scanning systems to differentiate between weeds and healthy crops. This allows for hyper-precise selective harvesting, reducing waste and increasing yield. 3. Heat and moisture control. A major concern with laser harvesting is whether heat from the laser will damage crops. Engineers have solved this issue by using ultra-low heat laser beams that only affect the cutting point, implementing real-time moisture monitoring to prevent crop dehydration, harvesting during optimal climate conditions to maintain crop freshness. With eye-controlled precision, laser harvesting could become the most efficient method of crop collection ever developed. The potential benefits of laser harvesting over traditional methods. Laser harvesting could be one of the most transformative technologies in agriculture. Here's why. 1. No more blade wear or maintenance. Traditional harvesters require frequent sharpening and replacement of blades. Lasers never dull, eliminating downtime and maintenance costs. 2. increased harvesting speed. Lasers can cut crops faster than mechanical blades, reducing labor time. AI-controlled harvesting allows 24/7 operation, improving efficiency. 3. More sustainable and eco-friendly. No need for fuel-powered tractors, reducing carbon emissions. Less soil disruption, preserving soil health and biodiversity. Water savings precision laser cuts reduce evaporation loss. Higher quality produce with less waste. Lasers minimize bruising and damage, keeping crops fresh. Smart selection systems ensure only the best crops are harvested. Less food waste, damaged or overripe crops are avoided entirely. With these advantages, it's easy to see why laser farming could be the next big revolution in agriculture. But who's actually leading the way in developing this technology? The companies and researchers leading the laser farming revolution. Several research institutions and tech companies are already experimenting with laser-based farming solutions. LaserWeed AI-powered laser farming. Originally focused on laser-based weed removal, now expanding into crop harvesting. Developing fully autonomous laser farming systems that could work on any crop type. MIT's Laser Agriculture Research, exploring infrared laser harvesting for high-value crops, using AI-driven decision-making to improve efficiency. 3. Fraunhofer Institute, Germany's laser farming project. Developing low-energy laser harvesters for sustainable farming. Testing laser-based selective harvesting in greenhouses. These projects suggest that laser harvesting could become a reality within the next decade. Challenges and future development in laser harvesting. Despite its potential, laser harvesting isn't perfect yet. Here are some of the biggest challenges. High initial costs. Laser systems are expensive to develop and install. Farmers may be reluctant to invest in unproven technology. 2. Energy consumption. High-energy lasers require sustainable power sources. Future systems may need solar-powered laser harvesting units. 3. Safety concerns. Laser exposure must be carefully controlled to avoid accidental harm. AI safeguards are needed to prevent overheating or misfires. Despite these challenges, many experts believe that laser harvesting will be widely adopted within 20 years. Can lasers truly replace farmers? Laser harvesting is one of the most exciting innovations in agriculture. By combining AI robotics and laser precision, we could see a future where farms operate with minimal human intervention. But will lasers completely replace farmers? Probably not. Human expertise, experience, and decision-making will always be needed to manage farms, interpret data, and oversee large-scale food production. Instead of replacing farmers, laser harvesting could empower them with better tools, making agriculture faster, smarter, and more sustainable. What do you think? Will laser harvesting replace traditional farming, or is this just another tech experiment? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring groundbreaking technology, subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more deep dives into the future of innovation. See you in the next video.